In this section, we will be creating a new service which will be for coupons. Now we have created quite a few services so far, so you should be pretty familiar with the general idea. That's why I'll be making it super quick. We'll be creating a new project here. This will be the API project, and we will call this mango.services.coupon_API. Looks good, let me add that. We will open up product API as a sample project, and then the first thing that I want to do here is manage the NuGet packages. So right click and we have manage NuGet packages. We will go to the browse tab here and we will search for AutoMapper first, and I will install the packages needed for that. Then we need the authentication JWT bearer token. We need Entity Framework Core, so we'll search for SQL Server and we'll install Microsoft.entityframeworkcore.SQL Server. Next, we also need the tools package, which is Entity Framework Core.tools. And we need a few packages with swashbuckle. And there should be annotations right there. I do not need the ASP.NET Core.Swagger. Let me remove that. We already have the swashbuckle.ASP.NET Core, so that is good. So with this, we have created our project and installed all the NuGet packages. Let's continue in the next video.